we're going to work on dividing mixed numbers. Now the steps are very similar to dividing fractions, but first we have to make sure our mixed numbers are turned into improper fractions. So I want to talk about finding the reciprocals of mixed numbers. Like you probably guessed, first we need to change these into improper fractions before we can find the reciprocal. So 2 1/3, remember we go around the world, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7/3. And then to find the reciprocal, we flip that, the numerator and the denominator, and we'd get 3/7 as our reciprocal. Okay, so we go around the world, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13/8. So the reciprocal of that is 8/13. All right, so now that you know how to do that, the steps for dividing mixed numbers. First, we change all our mixed numbers to improper fractions around the world. Then we keep the first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. Remember, that's our KCF. Then we multiply top times bottom times bottom, and simplify. So this one has one extra step before we actually start the KCF. Okay, so we're going to go around the world first. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5/2. I'm keeping my division sign right now because my focus is on changing the mixed numbers to improper fractions. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8/5. Now, my next step is to keep the first fraction, 5/2, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, 5/8. Now I do top times top, that would be 25. Bottom times bottom, 16. 16 can go into 25 one whole time, and there is 5/16 left over. 5/16 can't be simplified, so that's my final answer. So 2 1/2 divided by 1 3/5 ends up being 1 5/16. All right, please copy the steps and our example into your spiral.